is, lie we villages proud and true, where yesterday is living still.
Stone-built cottages line the braes, their windows warm with candlelight, and every road has tales to tell, past Doon through every winter's night. The lowland fields, the highland glens, though miles apart, they're woven friends. From east to west, frae shore tae ben, will I find hame again. These are the hearts of Scotland, beating strong through every year, proud of all who've gone before us, holding every memory dear. Where the pipes still call the morning, where the fiddle fills the air, in every town and every village, you'll find Scotland waiting there. The baker waves his neighbors pass, the harbor wakes before the sun, the blacksmith's forge, the village kirk remind us where we've all come from. Children laugh where castles stood, sheep still wander o'er the brae. Though the world keeps racing on, some things never fade away. We'll dance beneath the summer sky, we'll raise a glass when work is done, we'll share our songs, our hopes, our dreams, and welcome every wandering one. Lang may laughter fill the streets, lang may friendships never part, for every village, every tune keeps Scotland's soul and Scotland's heart. These are the hearts of Scotland, standing proud through wind and rain, every glen and every harbor calling us back home again. From the highlands to the borders, frae the islands tae the sea, every village tells a story, every story sets us free. Come away where the hills meet the sea, where the skylarks rise so wild and free. Morning mist on the purple glen, and every road says come back again. The kettle's on before you're asked, a stranger's smile soon lifts the mask. Round the fire as the daylight fades, stories woven like tartan plaid. You'll hear a fiddle, hear the pipes, 1,000 hearts come alive the night. Raise your voice, let worries flee, there's aye a place beside us here. This is Scotland, proud and free, where every soul finds family. We'll sing together through the years, with laughter loud and happy tears. So tuck my hand and shore, frail lofty sky. Scotland's song will never die. Castles stand where the winds still roam, guarding tales of a land called home. Every harbor, every break keeps old memories safe today. Neighbors gather when work is done, sharing music with everyone, from Caelid halls to village squares. Joy is something everyone shares. The rain may fall, the wind may roar, still we'll open every door. Lift your glass, your heart, your voice. Kindness here is not a choice. Light may friendship fill the air, every smile a gift to share. Though the miles may pull apart, Scotland stays within your heart. This is Scotland, proud and free, where every soul finds family. We'll sing together through the years, with laughter loud and happy tears. So take my hand and dance a while, walk these roads another mile. Frae glen to shore, frae lofty sky, we'll meet again by and When the music softly ends, you'll leave with more than passing friends. For once you've heard Scotland sing, she'll call you home with every spring.